Okay, here's a quick idea I had for a video. Remember that Galaxy motor that burned up? Well, let's do a teardown of it, huh? So, here we go. It's not that hard to tear one of these apart, or put it back together, which I might also show in the video. Put the screw in there. Sometimes this doesn't work. There it goes. Oh yeah, that thing toasted out. There's the insides. There's those sides should just pop off too. There we go. I don't think it really matters at this point. As you can tell, maybe not. Hold on. That thing charred out. That's what they're supposed to look like. That's what happens when they burn up. Wow. Focus. Thank you. They look horrible. There's that. That's what they're supposed to look like. I think I know what happened here. This ribbon cable kind of, just popped off. That's how that goes in. Looks like they're supposed to go in like that. So, yeah. I'll put this back on a tripod. And now let's just, for shits and giggles, put it back together. FYI, this is the other side. Just about as burn up as the rest of it. That doesn't look too good. So, yeah, it's toasted. Keep the bearings though. Keep the shafts, or the shaft, for another project. Let's see if I can get this right the first time. Alright, there's that. Then you screw them back in. Maybe. Damn it. God dang. Freaking fiber ring. Okay. Oh, so the fiber ring, maybe this little doodad here. It's the fiber ring. And you got the little cloth piece on here which goes behind it. So that's how that works. In case anybody didn't know, now you know. Okay, how to align that hole off camera. Okay, then you screw this back in. And then you screw the other one in. Usually if this thing's tight, then you want to smack it a few times, then it'll loosen up the bearing. Or in this case, I think it made it more tighter, but whatever. This motor will be sitting in the fan until the replacement motor comes. So, yeah. Thank you for watching the teardown, and I hope you enjoyed.